Hey guys, you'll just have to pardon my crazy hair. I have been getting a ton done today and I am loving it. I'm so excited because I finally finished decorating for fall and I'll share that with you here in a second. I'm in the fall mode, whether it's really fall outside or not. I am definitely excited about it. And in addition to finishing decorating, I'm also going to make some pumpkin bread, the down home Maine pumpkin bread recipe I've been using for years. Of course, I'll link it down below. And here we go. So I decorated for fall officially today, completed it, loving it. My absolute favorite pumpkin bread recipe. And it makes 2 loaves of bread. And even though this is not low carb friendly, I'm okay with that for my first off for the fall season go at pumpkin bread. Got all my ingredients out here. It's about what you'd expect. I have brown sugar, white sugar, calls for a can of pumpkin, and I will only have 1 can left after I use this, so I'm gonna have to stock up. Vegetable oil, salt, a whole bunch of spices, cinnamon, nutmeg, cloves, ginger, and I also throw in some pumpkin pie spice for the sake of it. And 4 eggs, 3/4 a cup of water, some baking soda, 3½ cups of flour, and here we go. Spoon of pumpkin pie spice. And this is 3½ cups of flour. The recipe does not call for it, but I like to make the top look amazing, kind of like Starbucks. So I'm going to sprinkle on some of these pepita seeds. Now this is from my freezer. This is like basically cinnamon sugar left over from doing some cinnamon sugar biscuits while the girls were still here. A little tiny bit of butter in there, which won't hurt a thing. So I'm just gonna do a light sprinkle on top here. Nothing too crazy. Now, the recipe says to bake it for 50 minutes, 50. But of course, that's for 3 smaller loaves. And I know from experience, this is going to take a minimum of 75 minutes or 1 hour and 15. It's going in the oven, and I'll show you the results in a little while. And here's the finished pumpkin bread. You guys. I tested it with the toothpick. It came out clean. And this was after 75 minutes of baking at 350. And you can see the pumpkin seeds and the little bit of cinnamon sugar kind of sank in a little bit, but there's just enough on there to give it a little festive look. Well, this smells incredible, you guys. I wish I could give you a whiff of it. I have got to try a piece of this right now. Get it in my mouth. Yum. Oh yeah, that is the perfect consistency. Thank you for sharing in my fall decor tour. And I hope I've inspired some of you to bust out your fall colors and get some fall recipes going. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you on the next one.